Okay, let's jump in, do a full Lutron booth tour. So as you know, we're Lutron dealers all the way up to Homeworks, do the triathlon shades, QS shades. So this is Triathlon Select, more of their entry-level roller shade. So they have a full gamut of control. I want to highlight a few new ones. So they got the new Avena. Super cool. Elise, not too new, but really nice finish. Old C-Touch. Palladium thermostats. A lot of people don't even know those exist. Palladium, that's our go-to. The Sonata dimmer. Of course, Pico paddle. And then if you're wondering, if you got a keen eye, Josh AI. Okay, let's jump around. So Homeworks, which is our go-to system for any higher end home. That's going to include keypads such as, and then you're going to have your module lighting system. You're going to see these sitting mostly in the garage, moduled out. So 4 zones of lighting per module, or if you're doing like 0 to 10. And then you're going to have LV21, so that's your typical processors, power supply, maybe a QSE10. That's old Radio Raw 3 processor, say old Radio Raw 3 processor. And then you got the X96 controller, wireless controllers, different keypads. They've partnered up with Coastal Source, which makes super high-end outdoor lighting fixtures. So that's pretty cool integration. That's new. So they're working with a high-end drapery / fabric company, Hartman and Forbes. So I heard a little bit about that. Those are Roman shades. And then here's some more of their featured partners. So they're doing the Inseroll. So they've had a complaint with outdoor shades. That's not 100% prime time yet, but should be. We're doing Draper outdoor shades, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's jump into some of their Lumeris. So these are their down lights. So tunable white, warm dim, 18 to 4000 K, CR90 plus, all those specs. If you don't know what they are, reach out, we'll fill you in. We're doing a lot of this with DMF lighting, but we also do Lutron when we need to. Here's their tape lighting. Okay, thank you. And then we're just about ready to kick out. I guess we're almost to our time frame here, be able to film as a press. The Rania lamps, the Rania tunable, and then Ketra, which we don't actually do, but we do partner up with a company if we want to do Ketra. So Ketra lighting. And then last little bit, Lutron Connect, that's going to be your amp to interface everything. And Raw 3, which we've done dozens and dozens of Raw 3 systems. So super nice Lutron booth tour. And I think the last thing we're going to do is kind of something that we normally aren't able to do, is let's take you into the guided tours. We'll jump in through the left, and then there's actually another guided tour here on the right. So we'll do both those. But full Lutron overview. Probably went a little fast because I'm running out of time. With our CEDIA press passes, we can only go till about 7, and we must be right at that time frame. So thanks again. Like, subscribe. If you're in the Seattle area, you want some Lutron, we'll help you out. Okay guys, so I just purposely walked through that Lutron booth tour. That was one part of it. And I did that without any narration, so you can see how vivid the colors popped, even on our basic Instant 360 X5 camera. And just gives you an idea what Lutron can do for you. And then we'll zip back around, and they've got more of a residential interior with bookshelves. Go ahead and walk that version. Again, obviously Lutron lighting, they got the big bucks to do a really high-end booth, and it looks super nice. We've already walked through it, so we're going through the rep guided tour. So kind of a special treat for you guys. You normally wouldn't be able to see this unless you were a Lutron dealer. But again, I'm going to not narrate much, just so you can see the vivid colors and what Lutron lighting should be. Okay, so that was second part of the Lutron booth. So that was both the guided tours. So that's something you would go through with a rep.